Alright, so you want to earn some side cash, some passive income. Well, there's an easy way to do that. This way is with Amazon KDP. I personally have tried Amazon KDP. I know that it works. You can earn side cash and it's very simple and free. I haven't spent a dime to create these books and I've got some sales. So these three things that you'll need essentially to set this up is one, a computer with internet, two, an Amazon KDP account. So you just go to Amazon KDP, you sign up for an account, you fill out your info, you link your bank account, and boom, that's it. The third item that you need is a way to create books, whether it's low content books, you can create novels, you can create crossword puzzles or coloring books, whatever the books may be. I personally use Canva. Canva is 100% free, or you can pay for a paid version, but I haven't paid for anything. And I'm actually using that to create books, and I've got a few sales. So I have verified this. I'm not just saying that you have the ability to do this. I have put in the time and effort, and if you put in time and effort, you can sell some books and not spend any money. You just put in your time and effort, and that's it. So, like and subscribe, and I'll be making more content in relation to Amazon KDP, how to make books, design books, everything related to it, and I'll share my journey with how many books I sell each month. So, yeah, like and subscribe, check it out, have a good one.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.